Welcome to A Positive Light. If you're passionate about innovative architecture, bold designs, and the thrill of turning dreams into reality, you're in the right place. Join us as we dive into extraordinary building projects that push the boundaries of conventional living. From unique underground hideaways to towering modern marvels, our channel is all about positive art and the adventure of creating anything but ordinary homes. In today's episode, we're following the journey of a young man who's decided to build his dream home on the edge of the city. Today we're introducing a truly inspiring project and the young man behind it. Nestled at the edge of the city, this property spans quite a significant area, providing ample space for creativity and innovation. What sets this home apart is its unconventional design. It's not just a house, it's a bold statement, a dream turned into reality, and we can't wait to show you what makes it so unique.
I've always been fascinated by architecture that challenges the norm. For me, building a home is about more than just creating a place to live. It's about crafting an experience that reflects who I am and what I love.
The inspiration behind this design is truly remarkable. The decision to build 3 stories with 1 floor underground was driven by a desire to blend functionality with a unique aesthetic.
The architectural style we're aiming for is a mix of modern minimalism with a touch of industrial elements. The underground floor adds an element of mystery and intrigue, making the home not only visually stunning but also incredibly functional.
As we move into the initial stages of construction, the excitement builds. A tractor is hard at work, digging out the underground rooms that will form the foundation of this extraordinary home.
Building underground presents its own set of challenges. We have to consider things like water drainage, soil stability, and ensuring that the structure is both safe and durable.
One of the standout features of this home will be the recreational room. It's designed to be a versatile space, perfect for relaxation and entertainment, with unique features that will make it a highlight of the house.
Welcome to the Underground Oasis, a recreational room like no other. As you can see, the pool here is quite expansive and goes really deep. It's designed to be a true centerpiece of fun and relaxation.
And just over there you can see the bar area taking shape. It's designed to be both stylish and functional, perfect for entertaining guests.
Yes, and let's not forget the games and entertainment areas. We've carefully planned their placement to ensure there's something for everyone to enjoy.
One of the most unique features of this space is that it has no ceiling above. This allows natural light and fresh air to flow in, creating a refreshing and open atmosphere underground.
Absolutely. The open design really transforms the space, making it feel less like a basement and more like an outdoor retreat.
Now, let's talk about adding the fun factor to our underground oasis.
Right above the recreational room, we've installed a diving board and a slide. These elements are not just for fun. They also create a seamless connection between the underground space and the rest of the home.
It's amazing how these features tie everything together, making the entire home feel cohesive and well thought out.
And we're not stopping there. There are plenty of other fun, unexpected features being incorporated. Each one is designed to surprise and delight anyone who visits.
As we wrap up, let's recap the progress we've made so far.
We've come a long way, and there's still so much more to look forward to. The Underground Oasis is just the beginning.
In future episodes, we'll dive into more aspects of this incredible home.
Thanks for joining us on this journey. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the exciting updates we have in store.
Thanks for watching. If you're as excited as we are to see this incredible home come together, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. See you next time on A Positive Light, where we turn imagination into reality.